Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses radio control to get kids excited about math and science. We are in the workshop today working on our ProLine Pro MT 4x4, a 1/10 four-wheel drive monster truck. It comes as a pre-built roller, and we are going to install some of the electronics today. So you can see the body that we painted. Right? We actually painted this with Flexi-Dip from Rust-Oleum. It turned out okay, right? Actually, we painted two bodies with this, but I painted them in the same batch there. So really, fairly pleased with how that came out. Couple things in regards to the Pro MT. You need to supply your own motor, your own speed control, and of course your own radio. These are the electronics we'll be using. We're using a FlySky radio setup, Hobby Wing, Easy Run 3656 motor, and a WP SC8 from Hobby Wing as well. So that is capable of 4S and 2 to 4S, I should say. And we're gonna go ahead and mount this all up. So we just kind of put it in here as a dry fit, just to make sure the wires were turning the right way. That we had enough room, that we weren't hitting the drive shafts or anything, or the shocks with any of the wires. So just doing a rough placement of the components that way. And now we're gonna go ahead and affix the motor and whatnot. So. Something unique about the Pro MT 4x4 is that the entire motor mount comes out as one piece, and you use these different settings on the, let me show you guys, on the what do you call it, the motor mount inserts, to actually set the pinion mesh, right? So you don't have to use a piece of paper or anything, basically. And they sent this little correction here. So basically, in regards to whatever tooth pinion you use, you're going to go ahead and line up the dots on those motor mount inserts accordingly. And then you don't have to fidget with the motor or the mesh of the pinion. So another thing that we're probably going to do here, we'll go ahead and get all the electronics mounted, but the instructions actually said to mount the receiver right here on the bottom of the chassis, but I was kind of concerned about water hitting the receiver there. It's got these nice high mud guards on the side, but there's still a gap over here where water could get in. So I originally was thinking, hey, maybe we could leverage one of these Traxxas waterproof receiver boxes, but that is not going to fit. Right, way too big. So as an alternative, what we're going to do is we were thinking of just mounting the receiver with double-sided tape high on this mudguard to keep it up and away from the water. So we'll see how that works there. But we'll go ahead and take out the motor. This is the orientation we're going to put everything in, just so that the wires kind of line up nicely there. So we'll put that off to the side, and then just take off the motor mounts off the bottom. Receiver's flopping around there. I could probably fix that first. But let's see here. So we are going to use I think the included pinion here, maybe not. Where's the pinion that we're going to use? Probably have to find it. I'm not sure if we were going to use this 15 pinion, or if this is even the correct one. It might not be the correct pitch there. There we go. It's just hiding under our ruckus over here. So we're actually going to use this 16 tooth pinion. I believe this came with the kit itself. Yep. So it came with the 16 tooth, so we're going to use this. We've got to use a little spacer here on the motor just to pick up the slack, because we're using a 3 millimeter you can see that our motor has a 3 millimeter output shaft versus the 5 millimeter diameter of the pinion there. So this included insert will take up the slack there, the gap. So we'll go ahead and get this disassembled and go ahead and mount the motor. So thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.